Hello, dearies. A lot many students keep asking us about the most bankable books for IPMAT, GIPMAT, and other entrance exams. And so here I am today with my personal compilation. Why am I saying personal compilation? Because these are the books that I have personally banged upon. My students have also used them and have reaped rich dividends out of there. So today I will be telling you about such a motley of books which can be very helpful for you. And simultaneously, one more important thing, I'll not just be telling you about the books, but also about the USP of each and every book. So let's begin. The first one is my personal favorite. Yes, this I feel is the best book written in the market right now for your exam. VNRC for Cat by Arun Sharma. Now, don't get intimidated, right? The moment you see cat, you sometimes get an impression that this book is maybe too much, but then trust me, ये book आपके लिए बहुत सही रहेगी. Ultimately, IIM को दिमाग में रख के ही बनाई गई है. And the best part is, one word of caution. यहाँ पे, when you talk about passages, there is LOD 1, LOD 2 and LOD 3. Level of difficulty 1, 2 and 3. मैं चाहती हूँ that आप LOD 2 तक तो definitely try करें. उसके बाद में जैसी जिसकी श्रद्धा. All right. So I feel LOD 1 and 2 definitely is for you guys. And apart from passages, the best part about this is that you get wonderful exercises on parajumbles. Yes, even the theta questions, type in the answer questions. So I feel this is a wonderful treatise. It gives you so much amazing content on not just grammar, not just vocabulary, on para summary, on odd parajumbles. Because see, you don't get enough relevant content and dependable content in other books when we talk of PJ theta, that means parajumbles without the options, and also odd parajumbles or odd statements. We get some wonderful root words here. We get foreign words also. Most importantly for you, I believe these things are a quick takeaway which you don't find easily in other books available in the market. Apart from that, passages are really lovely, right? Grammar, yes, a bit of grammar is given, but wonderful exercises. You even get word usage questions, राइट जैसे कि कोई वर्ड है उसको कौन से सेंटेंस में इनकरेक्टली यूज किया गया है दीज आर द क्वेश्चन टाइप्स जो नॉर्मली don't get so easily. So I believe this is really nice for you. All right. So let's now move to the second one that I have. What Power Made Easy. I think this book needs no introduction. This book by Norman Lewis is the best resource that you can lay your hands on, specifically for vocabulary. This is primarily centered on etymology, जो आपको root words बड़े interesting तरीके से पढ़ाता है. इसके बारे में ज़्यादा ज्ञान मैं आपको आज नहीं दूंगी, क्योंकि maybe we might delve into it deeper sometime soon. तो इसके बारे में ज़्यादा भी कुछ नहीं बताना है, बट ये पढ़ने लायक बुक है, इसको ज़रूर पढ़ो, ठीक है, और सीखो इससे. Next is Verbal Ability and Reading Comprehension for Cat by Nishit Sinha. Now, this is another book. If you want more practice, you can go for it. Ideally, don't confuse yourself with too many options. Options dena zaruri hai, right? Because sometimes students say that their material is exhausted. As such, we give you a lot of material in the forms of our modules and in the form of our mocks, right? तो वो अपने आप में बहुत अच्छा resource है. But still, I would say okay, you definitely from time to time need additional practice. So this is also a nice book which has almost the same syllabus covered as an Arun Sharma. So you can definitely refer to it once Arun Sharma gets exhausted. If at all आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इच्छा हो रही है और practice करना बहुत सारा पढ़ना है तो आप इस पे definitely rely कर सकते हैं. Fine. The next one is yeah, Ren and Martin. Now I'd like to tell you one thing. These books that I spoke of, They definitely have brief outline of numerous topics of grammar. They don't have detailed grammar, but for IPMAT and GIPMAT and other private exams, parallel exams, you need to understand the nuances of grammar really well. And that is when Renan Martin is the most standard book, I would say. 100% रेनन मार्टिन ग्रामर के लिए एक बहुत अमेजिंग किताब हमेशा से रही है but there's a word of caution. There might be some places where it can get a little too technical, much more than what is required for you. So you'll have to be a little watchful, right? Secondly, yes, you might not be getting those kind of questions like error spotting and sentence correction, which are there in your exam, because the questions here mostly are not of the MCQ pattern as such. So that is where you can learn the concepts from this book, and then you can do some miscellaneous error spotting practice from other books that I would be soon recommending. English is easy. Now, this is a very nice book. I'll tell you about its USP. Number one, yes, it covers grammar in detail. This book is not ideal for passages. I would not recommend it for RC, but I will recommend it for grammar because there's a nice coverage of grammar, and then you have some nice practice questions on grammar. Spotting errors के format में आपको exercises मिलेंगी. Rules काफी concisely laid down है. So this is a good thing. Next thing is, of course, I would recommend this for vocabulary. See, if you are a beginner, अगर आप एक बिगिनर हैं तो there is a USP of this book. I really feel my students have hugely benefited from this one chapter of this book specifically, which is World of Words. तो ये जो एक चैप्टर है इसमें वर्ड्स हैव बीन वीव्ड इन अ वेरी सिंपल वे, इनका यूसेज बताया गया है आपको, सो इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी फॉर अ स्टूडेंट टू ग्रास्प so many words so easily and in such an interesting way it has been put up. That is what it makes it readable. So I would really recommend you people to go through World of Words. There are other things also. There are some nice fillers also, and of course, as I've already mentioned, that you get a motley of topics here and there. You get idioms also, you get foreign words also, right? Foreign words आपके लिए उतने important नहीं है. आपका focus होना चाहिए idioms, phrasal verbs, ठीक है, and the numerous other things that I've already spoken of. Now, just in case you feel that I need another book or I somehow don't like a particular book, you can definitely consider this book, Objective General English by S.P. Bakshi. This is from Arihant. Over the time, I've seen Arihant publications have also done a decent job. And this book will have parajumbles, which is not in English, and English is easy, but you get parajumbles with options. ठीक है, grammar, you get a nice coverage of grammar here too. Voice has been nicely covered here, right? Narration has been nicely covered in very concise and precise way. So this is really a nice book again. You can go through this and that's all. अब आप ये तो नहीं सोच रहे कि मैडम आपने तो इतनी सारी किताबें बता दी, हम क्या क्या पढ़ें. So okay, fine. Finally putting up my final recommendations. I think I can vouch for Arun Sharma. That is a must for you people, right? And other things, yes, can actually be your second or your third preference. As far as vocabulary is concerned, I've already spoken of Norman Lewis, and grammar is concerned, you can pick up either of, see, Renan Martin for your concepts in general, but for grammar practice, you can pick up either Arihant or English is Easy. So I hope you will utilize this information that I've given you today for your amazing preparation. सिर्फ किताबों का नाम जानने से और किताब खरीदने से बात नहीं बनती है, उसे पढ़ना भी पड़ता है, ठीक है ना? So kindly go through it. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.